To solve a percent problem, we need to know two of the three components that comprise of a percent problem, which are part, base, and rate. Let's take a look. 18% of what number is 900? The percentage is our rate. The quantity following the word of is almost always the base, and in this example, that's what we're looking for, leaving 900 as the part. To solve for base, we'll use the percent formula circle, covering up base, leaving part over rate, which translates into part divided by rate. Replacing those values from the problem, we have 900 divided by 18%, percent as a decimal, 2 places to the left, and doing the division leaves us with a final answer of 5,000 for this problem. In this next problem, it's asking what percent of 40 is 30. Percent is the question, so we're looking for rate. The number following the word of is 40, which is acting as our base, leaving 30 as the part. So solving for rate, and again referring to the percent formula circle, covering up rate, that leaves a P or part over B for base, meaning we're going to take part divided by base. Replacing those terms with the values from this particular problem and simplifying, we have a decimal equivalency of 0.75, which converts to a 75%, the answer to the problem. In this last example, 22% of 650 is what number? We have our rate with the percentage. The number following the word of is the base, and the remaining number or quantity missing is the part. To solve for part and covering it up in the percent circle formula leaves us with B next to R, in other words base times rate, replacing those terms with the values from the problem, and further replacing the percentage with its equivalent decimal. Doing the multiplication results in a final answer of 143 for the part that represents 22% of 650.